Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. Today in this video we are going to talk about the Ayurveda aspect of gram flour, which can be used to enhance the beauty of your skin according to your doshas. For example, you have Vata dosha more aggravated, and if you have more of dry skin, what kind of ingredients you can add to these gram flour to make your skin look better? And if you have oily skin, what are the ingredients you can use to make your skin look more better? And if you have mixed skin, what kind of ingredients you can use to make your skin flawless and beautiful? Let's see what Ayurveda has to talk about it and how you can make use of it. The thing is, this gram flour doesn't cost much. It is very cheap ingredient. It costs very less, but it will nourish your skin and make your skin naturally healthy in a big way. Anyways, you are using a lot of cosmetics on your face and you are removing your makeup. It's good. I'm not saying don't use it. You use when it is needed. But when you are not using these things, for example, there are many days in your life when you are going to stay home and at night you are not going to use any makeup. Or in the morning when you get up, that time you are not going to use any makeup. So that time you can use these ingredients to make the health of your skin better, so that your pores will become, your clogged pores will become open and your skin can breathe. Let's see what Ayurveda has to talk about this gram flour and how you can use it with combination of various natural ingredients to enhance the beauty of your skin. This gram flour in India, it is called besan, or it is also called Bengal chana flour, or you know, those brown chickpea flour. So this is called besan, and it is a flour very readily available in almost whole part of the world. In India, it is a very essential ingredient for our food. We also eat it and we also use it for skin nourishments. Good thing is, it is very rich source of vitamin C, B6, thiamine and various essential minerals are present in this black gram flour, and it is extremely beneficial and it costs very less. That means you need not to go to biggest spas to make your skin healthy. It is just, there's something which you can do daily, once or twice a week in your home, so that one thing is you will save the money by not going to very costly treatments. And you have some herbal recipe which you can make by yourself in your day-to-day life, and you can yield the best results. This black gram flour is very cold in potency, and it is very beneficial to enhancing the immunity of the body. So this black gram flour is a very important ingredient of your day-to-day life. You can say it is a very integral part of many sweets in India. They are made up of ground flour. Many dishes like curries and especially pakoras, these are the dishes which are made up of gram flour. Many of you must be have eaten pakoras, but you don't know what are the ingredients in these pakoras. But this gram flour is the main ingredient in these pakoras, and we are eating it also, and we are also using it as a beauty ingredient. So today I am going to talk about the Ayurveda aspect and various Ayurveda face masks that can help to make your skin flawless, and that can make your skin much more healthy. It's been believed that this gram flour is capable of removing all the patchy skin. It is not like once you use and all the patches will be removed. It will take time, like sometimes it depends on the condition of the skin and how old the skin problem a person has. Because if you are using these ingredients, you need not to use much soaps or chemical things, which brings a lot of dryness on the skin. Or even if you are using these things, various kind of very moisturizers or various strong cleansers, and if you feel like a lot of dryness is happening in the skin after using such cleansers, so you can use this face pack so that your skin will become beautiful. And these face packs just soothe the skin, and these all ingredients are natural, so it will naturally help your skin to go from unhealthy state to healthy state. So let's start with the first face pack, which is hair removal face pack. It's been said, like many times we have seen many people have suffered with overgrowth of hairs on their whole body, especially many women also have these problems. It is something which people cannot share and just they have to bear with it. So one thing what these kind of people can do, this is hair removal face pack. That doesn't mean it will remove all the hairs, it's not like that, but it will make the growth of like too much. Some people have so much growth of hair, it will make the growth of hair less on the body, because in body we don't need hair much. Little bit hair naturally thin is fine, but overgrowth, it can stop that. So what is the combination for that? Let's see what is the pack which you need to use during shower by using this gram flour ingredient as a main ingredient. You take half cup of this gram flour, you add 2 lemons in it. You cut lemons, squeeze lemons into it. You just squeeze lemon into it and remove seeds of the lemon. After that, you just put half teaspoon of turmeric into it. Turmeric, you know, it's a very anti-inflammatory herb and it is natural immunity enhancer. So it is widely used in Indian homes. So you can also make use of it. And 1 teaspoon of milk cream. So, and you just mix this pattern very well. And make sure any of these ingredients, none of the ingredients should be allergic to you, because most of the people who are allergic to certain ingredient, they are aware of like what ingredient they are allergic of. Usually these are all our natural ingredients. Till now, neither a single case I have heard like anybody got allergic to these natural ingredients, these homemade ingredients, unless the gram flour which you are purchasing from certain source, if they would have added some kind of adulteration into it, some kind of chemical into it, then that is different thing. But try to purchase organic gram flour, because if you purchase organic gram flour, there is almost no chance like you will be allergic to that, because in India everybody use it in almost all household and the results are amazing and quite good. So you can use it, you can make this pattern like a paste kind of thing. Then during shower you can apply on your body once you go for shower in opposite direction of the hair. Like hair are in this direction, you need to apply it in opposite direction and just rub it like not harsh, don't rub very harsh, just gently rub it. You will see, you will feel very light, because the property of this gram flour is it bring kapha and pitta into balance. So any disturbance in the skin because of imbalance of kapha or pitta dosha, it will naturally balance it and it will nourish your skin very well. So this is one of the masks which you can use during shower. Let it be for next 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it with lukewarm water and you will see your skin will feel extremely fresh. You can make use of it and tell us how was your experience. If you feel like consistency of this paste is very thick, you can also add 1/4 cup of water into it if it is extremely thick, or if you feel like it is not so much thick, because it depends on the quality of gram flour you are getting. So no need to add water, or then add only 2-3 spoons of water, that would be enough. So you make use of this face pack and tell us how you felt. Next thing is, most of the women, they say like they have very dry skin. Dry skin can be because of many reasons. One thing, it depends if you are your vata is excessively imbalanced in your body, and if you have vata body type and your vata is unbalanced for many reasons. It can be disturbed digestive fire, it can be disturbed lifestyle, it can be disturbed food patterns because excess of coffee or excess of those food you are eating which are vata enhancing naturally. So if you are eating this kind of food, that also lead to dryness of the skin. There can be many reasons behind it, but generalized, if you feel just because dryness of the skin is because of you are using some very harsh chemicals on your skin like face wash or cleansers which are very harsh, that also lead to dryness of the skin. Many times on these face washes it's been written is extremely nourishing for the skin, is this, that, but actually because if it has chemicals, definitely it will be harsh, it will produce dryness in the skin. And when there is dryness, there will be cracks on the skin, and when there will be cracks on the skin, that will result into boils and vesicles, the small pustules or you can say pimples. So these things happen. So if you have excessive dry skin, you can also use gram flour with these ingredients. Let's see what is the recipe for that. It's very simple recipe for that, for washing your face. 3 teaspoons of gram flour you need to use, then add 2 spoons of honey into it and 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. You mix it well and just apply it on your face. Let it be on your face for next 15 minutes, and once 15 minutes will be over, let it dry. Like when it will become dry, remove it with lukewarm water and you will see your skin will feel so fresh. And if you are using continuously this for once or twice a week, you will see the changes in your skin. You can make use of it. It doesn't cost much. These are the ingredients. I think these are available in your kitchen and you can make use of it and make your skin beautiful naturally. Next question comes, most of the times ladies comes and they say they have problem in their T-zone. This T-zone, it's a mixed skin type and its T-zone, that is forehead and this nose area, it become oily too much and your cheeks are dry. So it is combination skin, you can say. And in this kind of skin, also on this zone, a lot of blackheads and pimples grow, but on your cheeks there are no pimples. These excessive oils, this happens because your pores are secreting sebum and that in excess. And why this is happening? This can be because of some hormonal disturbance you are going through. It can be because of the digestive fire, for example, a lot of heat in the system. And if you are a pitta body type and you are eating pitta enhancing food and excessive heat in your body, and ultimately somehow it creates imbalance in your sebaceous glands and they secrete excessive sebum and that cause excessive oil on your skin. So there are a lot of things that you need to do in these cases. One thing is lifestyle modification you need to do. It is not only the face pack that will work, but the way you perform your day-to-day activity, that is very important. Yoga and meditation will help because a lot of anxiety or anger, that also cause excess of T-zone oil secretion. So you can try meditation, you can try yoga, you can try that diet which is more responsible for balancing pitta dosh, and there is a link below. You can click on that link. If you want to know more about your pitta dosh, you can click on that link and or you can write to us. So I will answer your questions personally. For that, you can apply this gram flour with these ingredients. So you use 3 teaspoons of gram flour. In that you use 2 lemons and then you use red lentil powder, 3 spoons of red lentil powder. You mix it well, then you add rose water into it and mix it very well and make it in a paste form. Now apply this paste on your face and leave it for next 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you use lukewarm water. I just remove this paste and you will see slowly, eventually, if you are using these ingredients twice a week, you will see slowly the T-zone area will become more clearer and your skin will become normal. It will be like more healthy and more smooth, and the problem of pimples will also grow slowly. So you can make use of it because most of the time this kind of problem happens in pitta body type people or those people whose pitta dosh got imbalanced. So you can try it. It will bring the bhrajak pitta, which is responsible, is a kind of sub dosha which is responsible for the complexion of the skin, and it will come into balance. So you make use of these ingredients and make your skin healthy. Many times people also ask, like we have a lot of dead skin, many times the skin feel a lot of deadness and they want to remove the dead skin, and for that they go for various kind of skin removal treatments. Actually they are not very healthy because definitely you are removing skin with some kind of top layer of the skin with some kind of iron instrument and it is not so good for health. So regarding this, what Ayurveda has to say and what are the Ayurveda kitchen ingredients which you can use to make a best scrubber to remove dead skin is half cup of gram flour you need to use. Then you please add 1/4 cup of rice flour into it. Rice flour, you know, you need to make rice flour. Then you use 2 teaspoon of almond oil into this pattern and 2 teaspoon of fresh cream. So it will become a very nice scrub, and you just apply it on your face, leave it for 5 minutes, and then slowly try to rub it in a circular motions. Here you just rub it in a circular motions, and after rubbing it for next 10 minutes, you just wash it with lukewarm water and apply any natural moisturizer or any cream, any medicated cream also you can apply, natural like Ayurveda. Various Ayurveda creams are there that you can apply for your face, like Kumkumadi Lepam, Kumkumadi Telam. There are various Ayurveda oils also are there which are very nourishing for the skin. You can use that. So you can use all these things, and after that you just rub it gently, and then after that you wash it with lukewarm water. Once you wash it with lukewarm water, dry it with towel. After that you can apply any kind of natural cream or any kind of medicated ointment if you want to use, not chemical ointment. If natural medicated means Ayurveda medicine, if you want to use on your face, you can use that. It is very beneficial. Or any kind of herbal oil if you want to use that, or essential oil if you want to use on your face, natural, you can use that, or any kind of cream you can use for your skin. So you will see slowly if you are doing it once or twice a week, your skin will become more healthy, and you need not to go and scrap your skin. It will naturally remove the skin in a natural way. So these are the very natural ingredients of Ayurveda, and use of gram flour which you can use, and you can make these patterns, and you can see like how your skin is becoming better and better day by day. When I was kid, I was not aware of all these things. Definitely I was using a lot of chemical and cosmetics because you know, when I was not into Ayurveda studies, I was using, because I was not aware of these things. But later then my skin became very not so good position, and then I shifted into these natural ingredients, and I would be surprised like these have magical effect on your skin, and then you will feel like your skin will become better. So I don't want like the mistake what I did in my life. You shouldn't do that. You make use of these natural ingredients and make your life better. Next thing is, most of the times people ask me like sun tanning happen. There is a lot of tan in the skin, and then you chemically remove that tan. So what can be done to remove the sun tanning? So best ingredient for removing the sun tan from the skin is lemon. So wherever sun tanning is happening, like here it's a black zone, here it's black zone, you just take lemon peel, you rub it here like daily. After you come back from your work, or wherever you feel like there is patchy darkness because of suntan, you just rub lemon at their place, and you will see like it will be much better. And if you see like lemon juice, because if you have some kind of skin irritation and you put lemon over it, it causes little irritation. So you can use lemon with little bit of this gram flour, mix it with lemon and just rub it, and you can use little bit turmeric over it. So you can use half lemon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 5 spoons of gram flour. You mix it well, and you add little bit of rose water. You mix it well, and you just rub in that area, and slowly if you are continuously doing it daily, you will see the skin tan will go naturally. You need not to apply any chemicals. So that's all for now for the how we can use the this gram flour for the nourishment of the skin. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching me, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so take a minute and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to click the subscribe button so that we will stay in touch with you. And if you have any question regarding health or Ayurveda, you please write to us. We will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.